Welcome back to Build Your Skill. If it is your first time taking electronic courses in your college, this is the best video for me to show you how to light up an LED. The components you need, I have taken a 5-volt regulator with the USB that I'm going to connect with my computer, and I have an LED, a resistor, this is 330 ohm, and just a wire. These are the components I need to light up this LED. So this one is anode, the longest side, and this one is cathode. So anode is positive and cathode is negative. The current flows from anode to cathode. If I have my anode here, my resistor doesn't have the polarity, it doesn't have any positive and negative side. So I can place it anywhere. I can place it with the cathode, the negative one, or the anode, the positive one. The thing is, if you connect the cathode with the resistor, then this one goes, because cathode is negative, so if one end of the resistor goes to cathode, the other end will go to negative of the breadboard. Anode, the positive one, will go to the positive end. And then when I connect my USB to my computer, my LED, so let me turn it on, my LED light up. I'm going to show you another thing. If I want to connect, for instance, like you can say that it doesn't have any polarity. So what's if I want to connect with the anode? So if you go to anode, the resistor, then the other end should go to positive. Because what we know is that anode is positive and cathode will go to ground. And if I light it, it's still going to work. So if you see in different videos or in different circuit diagrams that sometimes it's connected with the cathode and sometimes it's connected with the anode, so there is nothing to get confused about. This is how you can make it work. You can connect it with the anode or cathode, it doesn't matter, but you have to make sure if one wire of end of the resistor goes to anode, then the other one will go to positive. And if you connect this one, the resistor one end with the cathode, then the other end will go to negative. That's all. Thank you so much. If you think that this video was really helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to come up with other circuit diagram. Thank you so much.